How to create TradingView account for free. So that is what I'm going to show you guys in this super quick and easy tutorial. So without further ado, let us begin. So first, just open up your web browser and then just simply search up for TradingView. So just click on the first link that will pop up. And then once you're here, what you want to do is to just simply click on Get Started right here at the top right corner of the website. And then after that, just click on sign up right here, which is $0 forever. No credit card needed. So just click on sign up. And then after that, you can simply just sign up with your Google account, Facebook account, X or Twitter account, your Yahoo account, your Apple account, or your LinkedIn account, or you could just simply sign in with your email. So I'll just simply sign up with my Google account. So just click on sign up with Google right here, and then just choose your Google account. And then after that, it will now start asking for your username. So just input any username you want. And then after that, at the very bottom right here, it will ask you if you want to receive marketing emails with special offers. So if you want to receive marketing emails from TradingView, make sure that this box is ticked. But if you don't want to, you can just leave it unticked. And then next, what you have to do now is to just simply agree with the terms and conditions of using TradingView. So make sure that this box right here is ticked. And then after that, just simply click on next. And then after that, you'll be redirected here in the homepage of TradingView. So as you can see over here in the top right corner, we now have our account, and then you are now signed up to TradingView. And then that's pretty much it. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to create a TradingView account for free.